Welcome to our Azure Active Directory free course. In this course, you will learn how to use Azure Active Directory to manage and secure your organization's identities. Let's check out the course content. In this course, you will cover topics such as creating and managing user accounts, implementing multi-factor authentication, and using Azure AD to secure access to your organization's resources. By the end of this course, you will have a solid understanding of how to use Azure Active Directory to manage and secure your organization's identities. To access the course, please visit the link provided on screen and use the password provided in this video to access the course materials. We hope you enjoy this course and learn something new. Thanks for watching.